Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am going to tell you about rounding off. What is rounding off? You already knew about it, how to round off numbers. But today I am going to tell you that how to round off to a given number of significant figures. Before that, I want to revise few rules, and rules are same as we were doing it for simple rounding off to the nearest 100, 1000, tens. So first step is, it's easy for student if they will follow these steps. Underline the digit at which you have to round off. Step number 2, circle the next digit on its right. If it is 5 or more, add 1 to the underlined digit. And step number 3, sometimes zeros are written to keep place value. Now we will see few examples, and with those examples you would have clear idea that how to apply these rules. Let's start. Okay, here I have written an example, and first I will tell you how to round it off to nearest 1000, tens and 100, and the same number we will round it off to the required degree of significant figures, like to 2 significant figure, then to 3 significant, and to 1 significant figure. So first of all, I am going to round it off to the nearest 1000, that is, the number is 5629. So I am going to write it over here, 5629, and as I have to round it off to nearest 1000, I will make place values unit, tens, hundreds and thousand. So my first step is to underline the number at which I have to round it off. So I will underline this number, and I will circle very next number, which is 6. If this circled number is 5 or more, then I will add 1 in this 5, so this will become 6, and remaining all number will be zeros. Now you can see that we have applied all 3 rules. Underline that number, circle very next number, and if it is 5 or more, we have added 1 to 5 and it's become 6, and we have written these zeros just to keep place value. We can't write that this is a 6. 5629 to the nearest 1000 is 6. No, that would be wrong. So this is our right answer, 6000, and these zeros are written to keep the place value. Similarly, when we are going to round it to nearest 100, again 5, 6, 2, 9, I have to underline the number at which I have to round it off, that is 6, which is hundreds, and circle very next number. As the encircled number is less than 5, so we will not add anything in 6. It will be 5, 6 as it is, and remaining 2 digits will become 00, just to keep place value. This is step number 3, that sometimes we write zeros to keep place value. Round to the nearest 10, 5629. This is our unit. This tens, hundreds and thousand. Now rounding to the nearest 10, we have to underline this tens and circle this unit. Now if this is more than 5 or 5, as you can see, this is 9, it's more than 5, so I will add 1 in this 2, and remaining 1000 place will be as it is, hundreds place will be as it is, and here if we will add 1, it will become 3, and 9 will become 0, as we have to write 0 to keep our place value. So these are 3 answers. Now moving towards our rounding off to the required number of significant figures. For that purpose, I am going to write that number 5, 6, 2, 9. Now you can see these all are significant figures. First significant, second, third and fourth significant. It has 4 significant figures in it, and first of all we have to round it to 2 significant. So this is first and this is second. I have to round it here. I will underline this digit and encircle this one. As this is less than 5, so no need to add anything in it. It will become 5, 6 and remaining 2 numbers will become 0 0. So this is how we have to round it off to two significant figure, but don't omit these zeros because we have to write these zeros just to keep place value. Next, 5629 to three significant figure, first significant, second significant and third significant. So here we have to round it off. I will underline it and circle the next digit, and 5 6 will be as it is. As this 9 is more than 5, so you will add 1 in this 2, it will become 3 and then 0. Lastly, we have to do 5 6 2 9 to one significant figure. So this is our first significant figure. We have to start from our left side. This is first significant figure, so I will underline it and encircle this one. As it is more than 5, so add 1 in the 5, it will become 6 and then 0 0 0. We have to write, sometimes we have to write zeros just to keep place value. Here is another example I have written for a decimal number, so you would have an idea of this decimal number as well. Round off 0.028012 to two decimal places. So for that, two decimal places, 0.02801 means that after decimal there should be two digits, 1 2. So I will underline this digit and encircle very next digit to it. So as it is more than 5, so I will add 1 over here, it will become 0.03. That's it. This is your answer. And here we need not to add zeros in the end, as we have to round it to two decimal places. We need not more digits than 2. Three decimal places, same number, 0.02801, and we need to write it till three decimal places. This is 1 2 3. After decimal, third place is this one, and after that if I will encircle the digit, it's 0 less than 5. No need to add in 8, so 0.028 is your answer to three decimal places. Okay, so this is what we have to round it to four decimal places, and for four decimal places again I am writing that number 0.02801, and four decimal places are 1 2 3 4, and next digit is 1, so no need to add anything in this 0, so I will write it 0.0280. This is the figure rounded off to four decimal places, and now you can see here I have written 0 just to keep place value, as I have to show four decimal places over here, otherwise it has no value 0 after the decimal. So it means that sometimes we have to write 0 to keep place value, otherwise we don't have. Now move towards round to this number, same number 0.02801 to one significant figure. So first of all I will write this number and I will find out that where is the first significant figure. So these zeros are not significant, but this 2 is the first significant figure, so I have to round it off till here and circle the very next digit to it, and it is more than 5, so I will add 1 in it, so it will become 0 3. That's it. I have to round it off to one significant figure, and now you can see in this you have one significant figure. Similarly for two significant figures, this is first significant, this is second significant, so till here I have to round it off and circle very next digit to it, and 0.028. That's it. Two significant figures are here. Three significant figures, 0.02801. Now first significant, second significant, and this is the third significant. As you know that in my previous video I told you that trapped zeros are significant, so till here we have to round it off, and I will encircle this digit. It's less than 5, no need to add anything in it, so this will become 0.0280. and this is rounded off to 3 significant figures. Lastly, I am going to round it off to 4 significant figures, same number 0.02801. This is first significant, second significant, third significant and fourth significant. Already it has 4 significant figures, so it is your answer. No need to round it off. That's it. I hope you liked it and you will understand the concept very easily. Thank you so much.